this video, I will explain the steps to derive the triple angle formula for sine and cos. So these are the formulas for sine 3a and cos 3a. Let's start with the very first one, which is sine 3a. To derive the formula for sine 3a, we need to take help from the compound angle formula. So I will be using the very first formula, and for 3a, we have to use a plus 2a. In that case, we can get 3a. So we need to replace all the b in this equation by 2a. Substituting b equals to 2a in this equation will give us this line, and as we can see, we get cos 2a and sine 2a. But in this triple angle formula, the answer has to be in terms of sine a only, as in we cannot keep the double angle formulas here. So we need to replace this sine 2a and cos 2a using their double angle formulas. So this is the formula for sine 2a, and for cos we have three formulas, but since the final line should be in terms of sine only, that's why I will be using the last formula. So cos 2a is replaced by 1 minus 2 sine square a, and sine 2a is replaced by 2 sine a cos a. Next, we need to simplify this one. If we multiply this, we get sine a, and then 2 into sine square will give us sine cube a. And in this portion, we have 2 sine a, and cos into cos will give us cos square a. But since the answer has to be in terms of sine only, we need to replace this cos square a. So from this formula, we can subtract cos square a, which is 1 minus sine square a. So instead of cos square a, I will write 1 minus sine square a in the next line. Next, we just need to multiply them, and then we have to simplify it. Sine a and 2 sine a will give us 3 sine a. And minus 2 sine cube minus 2 sine cube will give us minus 4 sine cube a. So that's the last line for sine 3a. The process of deriving cos 3a is very similar to the last one. At first, we need to select the compound angle formula. Since it's related to the cos, we have to use this formula. So cos a plus 2a equals cos a, cos 2a, then sine a, sine 2a. Since the final line should be in terms of cos and the angle has to be a, not 2a, so we have to replace the double angle formulas. The formula for sine is this, but for cos we have three formulas, since we are deriving formula for cos 3a, which is in terms of cos a only. So that's why we have to use the second one, which is in terms of cos. So cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1, sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a. Then we just need to multiply them, and here we have 2 cos a, and sine a into sine a will give me sine square a. But the final line has to be in terms of cos only, so that's why we have to remove the sine square a. So from this formula, we can get a value for sine square a. So sine square a is 1 minus cos square a. So sine square a is replaced by that formula. Next, we will just simplify this one. So cos a into 1, and then 2 cos into minus cos squared. So minus minus will give us plus 2 cos cube a. So if we add this cos cube a, 2 plus 2 gives us 4 cos cube a. Then minus 1 minus 2 with cos a will give us minus 3 cos a. So we are done with the derivation of the triple angle formulas. So from these two triple angle formulas, sometimes we need to subtract sine cube a and cos cube a. For example, if we need to integrate them or something, we need to replace them in terms of sine 3a. So subjecting this two will give us extra two identities. So that's the end of the derivation for triple angle formula. The next video is on sum to product and product to sum, so do check that out.